In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DaVinci Error Code 715 quickly and safely in 2026. This issue usually shows up when DaVinci Resolve is overloaded by high-resolution footage, heavy effects, or GPU stress during playback or rendering. The good news is that you can usually solve it by lowering the processing load and making a few smart settings changes inside Resolve. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast editing fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page so your clips are visible on the timeline. Starting here is important because you want to work from the same timeline that is causing the issue. Once you can see your footage, head up to File, then choose Project Settings, and then open Master Settings. This area controls the core timeline configuration, and it's where you can reduce the strain on your system. Now look for the timeline resolution setting. If your project is set to something like 4K and your computer is struggling, lower it to 1080p or another lighter option. This does not delete your footage, and it can make a huge difference in performance. Reducing timeline resolution lowers the processing load, which helps Resolve handle playback more smoothly, and can prevent error code 715 from appearing again. After that, go to the Playback menu at the top of the screen. From there, open Timeline Proxy mode and set it to half resolution. This is another very effective way to reduce playback demand. When Proxy mode is active, Resolve does less work while previewing your timeline, which is especially useful if you are working with large files, color correction, fusion effects, noise reduction, or multiple layered clips. Next, let's check your GPU settings, because error 715 is often tied to GPU overload. Go to DaVinci Resolve, then Preferences, and open the Memory and GPU section. Here, you want to make sure Resolve is using the correct GPU processing mode for your system. If available, set GPU processing mode to CUDA or OpenCL. CUDA is usually best for NVIDIA cards, while OpenCL can be the better choice on other supported systems. Choosing the proper GPU mode can stabilize processing and reduce crashes or performance errors. If you've changed any of these settings, don't skip the final step. Save your project, close DaVinci Resolve, and restart the program. Restarting is important because some of these changes only fully apply after Resolve launches again. Once it opens, check your timeline, play back a few clips, and see if the error is gone. In many cases, these changes are enough to fix DaVinci Error Code 715 and get your editing workflow back to normal. If you still see the issue after that, the main things to remember are that high-resolution media and heavy effects can overwhelm your GPU. So if needed, go even lighter with your timeline settings. Disable unnecessary effects while editing, or try working with optimized media or proxy files. The goal is always the same: reduce the load so Resolve can run smoothly. And that's how you fix DaVinci Error Code 715 step by step. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Resolve tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.